we are thinking of taking buys, then that's where the big boys get us. That's where the big boys get us. If we check, let me check Euro USD. As you can see, it's at key support levels. It's approaching key support levels. We have add a rectangle here on this level here. It's approaching key support levels. So the normal approach to this would be buying. So I'm sure that by the time the news, because the news are in a few hours, by the time that the news arrive, price will be playing around this level here. Price will be playing around this level here. So the normal thing would just to be buy, just to buy, be buying. The normal thing would be taking a buy. Greetings to you all, Billy Lord here. Yeah, we managed to get the entry before the news somewhere here, and then the news came and caused some rejections. So if we check on the H4, there it is. There is the zone that we marked earlier. It was respected. And then GBP USD also didn't buy that much.